Hi guys, in today's episode I present to you a graphics pack from Black Ops 6. Interestingly enough, this is first pack on this type in the form of application. Yes, for application, for clarity and speed of searching for elements, because we have everything data here away. For £3 you get 6 different fully editable thumbnails, over 500 elements from Black Ops 6, including over 40 character renders in Full HD, and most importantly CUT all weapons and all perks, logos, so that your graphics works will be best. Hurry up, because the price may be changed. All proof is not experiment. Link in description.